How to create an email sequence on Mailchimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an email sequence or an email automation on your favorite platform for email marketing, which is Mailchimp. So the process is very easy. You are going to head over your admin dashboard of Mailchimp. This is the first thing. Then what are we going to do? Sign up or sign in for the account that we have. And then what are we going to do? This is the third step. We are going to be obliged to head over the integrations and integrate or connect our platform for email marketing to an actual store, because the automations are going to be set up with the help of a trigger, and the triggers are going to be here. Let's say maybe some of them are going to be internal triggers, which are going to be some created landing pages. So you're going to have some information about clients that has been registered to the newsletter for the landing page that you have created in Mailchimp, or an external, let's say, triggers that has been coming from external stores or sources like WooCommerce, Canva. I don't know. Here also it is going to have an integration in this, and also we have the most well-known Shopify. So we are going to head over Discover. So we are going to see here Zapier. As you can see, also it is going to be a very good trigger setup and also action maker for the automations. We have WooCommerce, Shopify, we have Squarespace integration, Instagram, WordPress, Gravity Forms, and etc. So you can see that we have a lot of integrations. So in my case, I will go ahead and set up my Shopify store because I have already a store in there. So we are going to click on get started. Then you are going to head over your Shopify store, as you can see here on the App Store exactly. And then you're going to install the app. So basically, you're going to open up the app on the actual store of yours, and then you need only to sign in into the same account that you've had on your MailChimp platform. So basically, this is our Shopify store. As you can see, we have created one and also connected our, let's say, account for this operation. So we can see that everything is synchronized. You need to connect it correctly. So the benefits from connecting MailChimp to Shopify is a way to, let's say, register the contacts, the clients, the number of orders that you have, the products that you have sold, or the products that you have into your store, and the promo codes that you have already on the discount section. These four factors are going to help you to, let's say, generate the statistics into your MailChimp platform. So when you are going to head over here on the homepage, you're going to see here the email performance. So based on the products or the, let's say here, the customers that you have already from your Shopify store. So it is going to synchronize all the data that is needed to launch an email campaign. So, what is an email campaign without a customer information like the emails and also the phone numbers? So, it is crucial to have this everything set up. Now, let's say that everything is okay, we have connected it correctly, and we have all the journeys that we can set. So, from the beginning, you're going to see the here that you can see that we have some behavior based automations from MailChimp, which is going to be related directly to our Shopify triggers. So we are going to see that we have recover abandoned carts, which is going to be crucial for stores. Encourage customers to visit your Shopify store again once they have made a visit and subscribe to the newsletter or the subscription. And also create repeat customers. That is very, very important for the marketers. That is going to help a lot of the store owners to have more recurring customers. So I'm not going to use the three or the most famous, as you can see here, automations for MailChimp that is providing for Shopify. Or I'm going to click on continue to MailChimp, or I'm going to head over here or to our dashboard. So basically, we are going to see it from scratch. Now we are going to head over the automation and we are going to see more of the automations. So as you can see, it is going to show you based on on your Shopify store. You're going to get here the same or more developed ones like welcome new contacts or new customers, recover abandoned carts, which is going to be popular, and celebrate customer birthdays. This is going to be a plus for you. So, if you want to create a journey or an automation, or you can call it an email sequence from scratch, you can click on here, build from scratch. Or if you want to choose from the built or the pre built journeys, click on here on this green button, and you're going to see here tons and tons of uh, as you can see here, automations. But how we can filter the Shopify ones or the store or let's say integration related one. So we're going to see here some filters at the top. We have channels, we have topics, and we have apps and integration. So we are going only to head over the integration that we have and click on it. So it will here filter all the integration that will be uh, only set for this specific case or integration that you have. I'm going to filter it for Shopify. So we are going to see here that we have this one, we have the categorization set up or named in here. Find and welcome new contacts, welcome series. We have the nurture leads, like here reminding the customers to reorder, encourage customer to complete their checkout, abandoned cart, new versus returning, notify customers when a product in their cart has low inventory, of course, and maybe notifying them for a new arrival or something that they have liked or they have on their wish list and etc. So these are going to be Shopify related. Not only Shopify, but we have thousands or tens and twenties of let's say integration related like WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and etc. So we are going to click on one of these. For example, receive Slack message, a high value customer, thank repeat customers. So I'm going to head over this and select it. So basically, you are going to see the resume of that journey or of that sequence. We're going to use this journey so you can read what you will need here. I'm going to click on use this journey because it is going to be important for us to use it. You're going to see the starting point number one. This is the starting point, or this is the trigger. So the contact buys products from your store. This is the trigger. So you are going to have here the action, or here we have a differential, as you can see, condition if and if. Yes, for example, if condition total number of orders is greater than 3, if yes, they are going to receive an email. And if it is going to be less, it is going to exit the contact from that list. So now what we're going to do is to see that we can add some journey points at anywhere where it is mentioned the plus circle or button. So, for example, the starting button number 2 or point number 2, you can go ahead and add, for example, something else. Sign up for emails, birthdays, send an email, buys a specific product, and you can see here that we have a lot of, let's say here, popular starting points. You can go ahead and use it from here, and then you are going only to add something else. You can add a journey point. As you can see, this is not a starting point, but a journey point. I apologize for the confusion. You can add here some rules like if or else, percentage split, wait for trigger, and a time delay. So we are going basically here to add a little time delay. For example, a let's say here a day, or this is a week delay. As you can see, I'm not going to set it as a week, but 1 day, or let's say maybe hours, like 6 hours delay. Then it is going to count the number of orders. If it is greater than 3, it is going to create the email. So The email is going to be having the subject of "You're the best. Thank you for being a loyal customer." Every day, as soon as possible, as you can see, this is the schedule, the tracking, and the email. So you can go ahead and modify the email, as you can see, or send it as it is. So you can click on edit. For example, here we have the email. I'm going to click on close. You can go ahead and select a template just like that by clicking on here. Then you are going to see all the templates. We have the fully designed one, we have the basic one, and we have the free one, or you can go ahead and insert the coded email if you have one. When you set up the email, you are going to apply it, make some modification at least if you want to add something else. So here I'm not going to um, put something. I can go ahead and add some deals or add some products, as you can see here with the let's say promotional codes, discount codes for special clients. And then we are going to click on save and return to the journey. We're going to turn on the journey, and with that we have set up a email sequence. So we are going to set up here the context, or see the, let's say, the overview of that, and also the statistics. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.